WGen 9500 DF, started upon installation, now will not start manually or with electronic start. I checked everything that Westinghouse lists in the troubleshooting section of the manual. The generator is brand new.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Westinghouse generator? How old is it?
I purchased it new on July 17, 2020, so no maintenance performed.
How long has this been going on with your Westinghouse generator? What have you tried so far?
A month and a half. I checked fuel shutoff, spark plug boot connection, spark plug seating, run switch, battery.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I pulled the spark plug and did not see any obvious damage. I am thinking about replacing the spark plug and trying to start the generator.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. I am so sorry that no one has tried to help you yet. I don't know what is going on. I just returned from a vacation, and it appears that no one has been answering any generator questions, so I will do my best. If you are still needing help with this, the first thing you need to do is to check and see if you are getting spark to the plug. To check for spark, remove the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Remove the spark plug from the cylinder. Attach the spark plug wire to the spark plug. Using insulated tools so you do not get shocked, hold the base of the plug to the bare metal of the engine. Crank the engine and observe the plug for spark. There should be a bright blue spark jumping the gap of the spark plug. Check all cylinders. Is there spark present?
Since it is a dual fuel generator, I tried starting it on propane. They worked with manual crank. I tried switching the fuel to gasoline while it was running. The generator shut down immediately. Westinghouse is sending a new fuel selector switch. The other issue with this unit is that the electronic start does not work. The battery charge tested strong. So, I do not know if you can help me with that problem.
Is the master switch on? Does it do anything at all when you press the start button?
No, it does nothing. The run switch is on.
There is a small blue wire attached to the starter solenoid. Does it have 12 volts on it when you press the start button?
I will check tomorrow and let you know.
Okay.
I apologize for my long delay in my reply. Can you help me locate the starter solenoid? I checked 3 days ago but did not recognize the starter or solenoid. Thank you.
Just follow the positive battery cable. It attaches to the solenoid.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.